In this short presentation, I'm going to show you how to use our online pump software. Simply visit masterflow.net.au and navigate to the pump selector software. If this is the first time that you've visited this software, you will have to change your units from imperial to metric. Simply hit change units here, select metric, and then that will be set for here on. Click OK, and it'll be like that from here on. The next you need to do is put in a flow rate. So put in your flow rate. We're going to pick a sample duty here for a chill water system of 45 litres per second at 30 metres head. Over here, select what pump type you wish, and then what your preferred speed is. If you want to select multiple speeds or multiple pump types, simply hold the control button down on your computer and select those other options that you want. The next is hit search, and it'll search the software for possible selections for your duty point. The way these are sorted by default is the most efficient is at the top. You can sort by any of these headings at the top. So looking at these selections, we've looked at both 2-pole and 4-pole. If you're wanting a quiet selection, we recommend you go 4-pole, especially when your duty point is at such a high flow of 45 litres per second. So we're going to click on the SW125-32 selection. And here is our curve for this pump. Refer to previous seminars by pump journeyist Keith Sanders on explanation of a pump curve. Here we have our pump curve with our duty point plotted in the red marker here, our system resistance curve, our impeller diameters. The software will select a reduced impeller diameter for your duty point. We recommend, if your pump is going on a variable speed drive, to increase your impeller diameter to full size, which you can do here, and then slow your pump down by hitting fit to design directly on the speed here. So you can see now we're going to be running this pump with a full size impeller at 1373 RPM. Come down here and you can see your shaft power is 17 kilowatts, and the recommended motor for this would be a 22 or a 30 kilowatt. You want to trace your impeller line down so that you select a non-overloading motor for your pump. The software will select a motor for full-size impeller at full speed, being your full-size impeller here, but at full speed, and that's why it's selected a 30 kilowatt. However, if you're comfortable that there's sufficient margin between your shaft power and a smaller motor of 22 kilowatt, simply select motor selection down the bottom here, and then select manual selection, and then select 22 kilowatt from the list here. The final thing I'd like to show you is to scroll up a little bit, and you can see here print. Click on the print and you can generate a data sheet for your selection. You can name it Chill Water Pump -1 or whatever your naming conventions are, and then click OK. This will then generate a PDF with all the technical information that you require. You can then save this to your project file.